Hello everyone! Is your car feeling sluggish, struggling to shift, or stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0787, Shift Timing Solenoid Low, it means your transmission is having trouble regulating shift timing. Ignoring this can cause severe transmission damage, but don't worry, I'll explain what P0787 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0787? The P0787 trouble code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects a low electrical signal in the shift timing solenoid circuit. This means the solenoid isn't getting enough power, which affects gear shifting. Symptoms of P0787 include harsh or delayed shifting, transmission stuck in limp mode, check engine light and transmission, warning light on, slipping gears or rough acceleration, and reduced fuel efficiency due to incorrect shifting. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0787. To diagnose P0787, check these critical components. Shift Timing Solenoid, also called Solenoid D. Location: inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function: regulates hydraulic pressure to control gear shifts. Transmission control module or powertrain control module. Location: mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine firewall. Function: control shift solenoids by sending electrical signals. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location: on the side of the transmission, near the valve body. Input and output speed sensors. Location: found on the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts, wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the shift solenoid sensors and PCM-TCM. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause shift solenoid failure. Common causes of P0787. Faulty shift timing. Solenoid not receiving proper voltage. Low or dirty transmission fluid blocking hydraulic pressure. Damaged transmission control module sending weak signals. Faulty pressure sensor. Wiring issues with corroded connections, or clogged transmission valve body restricting flow. How to fix P0787. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Make sure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Test the shift timing solenoid using a multimeter to check for proper voltage and resistance. Step 3. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor to ensure accurate pressure readings. Step 4. Check the wiring and connectors for damaged, corroded, or loose connections. Step 5. Scan the transmission control module. Reprogram or replace if necessary. Step 6. Inspect the transmission valve body. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive using an OBD-II scanner to reset and monitor transmission performance. A P0787 shift timing solenoid issue can cause major transmission problems if left untreated. Checking the solenoids, sensors, wiring, and fluid levels is key to fixing the issue. Watch these related videos next. P0440 evaporative emission control system malfunction and P0441 incorrect purge flow in evap system. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.